Last night, partially as a result of the eclipse, the town of Pueblo received a hailstorm, and Christmas's garden was severely ravaged. But this garden has also been designated as a resurrection zone by my will. This means that we have lowered an etheric temple over this land that maintains resurrection energies on a permanent basis. Christmas's body will be going through a resurrection as she begins to youth, to become younger before your very eyes. As she is doing these videos on a regular basis, you will see the changes as they are brought forth by my will and by her diligence in obeying my will and doing the techniques that she knows will assist her in rejuvenating her body. She has now been given that experience to undertake with her garden as well. As a small death was experienced by many of her plants, but they too can be resurrected with love, patience, and communication with the forces of nature, the powers of the elements, and the various devas and light beings that assist in the growth and life of her garden. Your ascension is meant to be a total process of unifying with all of the other dimensions that exist upon this planet. They have remained mostly invisible from your view because when humans saw them, they often abused them. And many beings requested to be lifted out of the third dimension so that they could continue to exist without being destroyed by humankind. But all of this is now changing, beloveds. And your vision is being restored so that you might acknowledge, love, and assist these other dimensions in their evolution as they are ascending as well. So the devastation that occurred in her garden first made Christmas feel very sad and upset. But because of the information that I have given to her, she immediately began to look for the perfection in it and to realize the opportunity of resurrecting her garden even after such devastation. What she will be doing on a small scale is preparation for what many of you will be going through on a large and on a mass scale, and what some of you are going through already as you find your homes or your gardens destroyed by various hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, and other ways that the earth has of manifesting her discontent and releasing the negative energies that humankind has placed within her. And so every event, even those that appear the most negative on the outside and at first appearance, are all opportunities for growth, for ascension, for love, for wisdom. But you will only experience that if you look for it. If you consciously decide that this is how you want to experience the event, and then look and see what the event has to teach you with an open, loving heart and an open, non-judgmental mind. Both of these attitudes, non-judgment and unconditional love, will a great you assist you along every step of your ascension. They will eventually become permanent within you. But until then, you must consciously work at it. Ask for my assistance. Ask the assistance of any of your guides or the beloved light beings that are assisting the planet in her ascension. There are literally millions of ascended and perfected beings who are available to assist you in anything and everything that you are going through. But you do need to ask for their help. And you do need to be open and willing to receive their guidance and then to do as you are instructed to do, with faith and trust in the eventual positive outcome of everything that happens to you. That is my message for today, beloveds. Thank you for listening. Know that you are blessed and loved beyond measure.